alone in a room. It's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today, yeah, when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yeah. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm so burned out, and I don't think my strength's gonna last. So I'm crying out to you. Oh Lord, I know that you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yeah, yes I do. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one, oh, to make sure that it's carried out. And in me, I don't want any doubt, and that's why I won't talk to you. Yes, I do. And ask you for your guidance, especially today, yeah, when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea, and I need a word from you. And that's why I open up my